Pastor Sunday Adelaja gives strong warning to agitators of Biafra and Oduduwa Nation. The founder of the Embassy Church in Ukraine, Pastor Sunday Adelaja, has warned those agitating for secession to be careful. What they are asking for, Pastor Adelaja, who gave a long message of his Facebook page to commemorate Nigeria's 60th independence, pointed those who want Nigeria disintegrated to what has become of South Sudan after it separated from Sudan. His message reads in part, "As for those people who are agitating for the disintegration of Nigeria, it makes me sad. Take a peek at what is happening in South Sudan, the latest country in the world. They are worse. They are worse off than when they were part of the larger Sudan because they started their own internal conflicts among themselves. A time escalating to civil war, killing one another. These are the things that happen when breakaway occur. Recently, two main groups in the news that have been vocal about their intention to succeed are the Biafran and Oduduwa group. Pastor Adelaja, who has a warning for this group, said, "I want to warn those Nigerians that wish to break away that the problems you are running away from will go with you to your newly formed nation." Let's say you get Oduduwa Republic and Biafran Republic. The same problems will remain in those same countries because the same people who are in Nigeria now are the same people who will be in the countries you are going to build. When people don't change their value system, first, nothing changes. Even they change geopolitical territory 1,000 times. The same people creating the problems in present-day Nigeria will be doing the same thing in the new country. Their children and descendants will keep faith with their values and lifestyle. The clergyman said breaking away is not the solution. He called on all the tribes to come together and provide their input to make Nigeria more united. He concluded his message by charging Nigerians to put their heads together and build a better country that every Nigerian will be proud of. Thank you for listening to this news. Pastor Adelaja, you did not get it. You didn't get it at all. You never got it right. I think you don't really understand the vision and mission of this group. Well, it's not actually your fault anyway. You are far away. You are far away from this country, so you will hardly know the country that you are actually talking about. You see, Sudan and South Sudan are quite different from Nigeria. And besides, the people that are agitating for breakaway are the people that has been sustaining this country for over 60 years now. Maybe you don't know. What is in this country? What is in Nigeria? As far as I am concerned, Nigeria is empty. Nigeria is only making use of these people to get themselves fit. You are making use of them, yet you are not giving them opportunity to at least taste a little of what they own, you are just moving everything to yourself and you think that they will be okay. Hope you're getting it, Mr. Adilaja. The southeastern people that are agitating today, they are agitating in tears because of what? Because of the humiliation and intimidation of the so-called Fulani people in Nigeria. Look, for you to know that the Biafrans are agitating, their agitation is justified. Oduduwa Republic that you are seeing today that are agitating now were not agitating before. It was just Biafrans. They were against the Biafrans, but along the line, they decided to join. Why? Because they have seen the justification of what Biafrans are actually doing. You see that? Benin Republic, the people that are coming up now, they are also against Biafran. But now, they have seen reason to join in the agitation. See, the Northerners are making nonsense of the other regions. And I bet you, sir, what happened between Sudan and South Sudan is going to be is going to be a vice versa of Nigeria, the other way around. That instead of these people to be the ones suffering, it's going to be Nigeria that will suffer. Because I tell you, the Southeast have all that it takes to be the best country if they break out. Give them 5 years, less than 5 years, I bet you will see them in action. They will attain development and they will start competing with other international and advanced countries. They have all that they need to survive. They have all that they need to make it. What are they looking for? They don't need anything. They don't need anything for this God-forsaken country. And this country know that. They know. They know that. But they don't just want to talk. They should not talk. They should keep mute. They should keep mute because of their greediness. So, I concur with the agitation. I am not a Biafran, but I support the movement. I support the vision, and I still want them to actualize it. Alright? So, my viewers, what is your take? What is your observation? What do you think? Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.